If you want to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot a website, improve privacy, or simply test how a page behaves without scripts running, these settings are easy to change inside Chrome. And if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's full settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left side menu, click Privacy and Security. This section includes the controls that manage how websites access different features on your browser. In the center pane, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome stores permissions for things like camera, microphone, pop-ups, notifications, and JavaScript. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. Under that section, click JavaScript. On the JavaScript page, you'll see the option to control whether websites are allowed to use scripts. To disable it completely, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Once you choose that option, Chrome will stop most websites from running JavaScript, which can change how pages look and function. Some sites may not load properly, and certain buttons or interactive features may stop working, so keep that in mind before turning it off. If you ever need to turn JavaScript back on, just return to the same place and switch the setting again. And that's it. You've successfully disabled JavaScript in Chrome. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more browser tips and troubleshooting tutorials.